Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I will show how to build a beast gaming PC under 50k. Components needed in a beast gaming PC I have shown in this video. RGB strip. To change different RGB color modes, it comes pre-installed. 120mm normal fans on rear. Motherboard supports 80x micro 80x and mini ITX. It has 4mm thick edge-to-edge tempered glass on side panel, which give the case a unique outlook and various options to show off your build inside. It has one USB 3.0, two USB 2.0, RGB control button and HD audio on top. (27 viewable VA1800R curved panel, 1920x1080 resolution, 250 ICD/M2 brightness, 1 ms response time, sync 1 FOURTE for refresh rate, 16:9 aspect ratio, flicker-free shadow control connectivity, VGA, HDMI 1.4, headphone out, height adjustable, wall mountable. AMD Ryzen 7 2700 processor is designed to offer you the highest multi-processing performance in its class for demanding gamers and creators. The 8-core processor equipped with true machine learning is designed to utilize the resources effectively and will offer you a brilliant gaming experience when paired with an equally capable graphics card. Ryzen 7 2700 comes with 16 threads, which would enable fast creative workloads, applications and tasks involving web browsers, web servers, games, text editors. IDEs would benefit in a positive way with enhanced performance, reduced render times and seamless designing and content creation and streaming. Supports AMD 3rd Gen Ryzen, 2nd Gen Ryzen, 1st Gen Ryzen, 2nd Gen Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics, 1st Gen Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics, Athlone with Radeon Vega graphics processors, dual channel, non-DCC unbuffered ultra-fast dual NVMe PCIe Gen 3 M.2 connectors, HDMI DVI ports for multiple display, high quality audio capacitors and audio noise guard with LED trace path lighting, Gigabyte exclusive gaming lamp with bandwidth management, RGB Fusion 2.0 with multi-zone LED light show design, supports digital LED and RGB LED strips. Heatsink design with edgy wing-shaped 8GB DDR4 fast speeds up to 3000 mHz. UDIMM desktop memory, supports Intel X299 platform and AMD for Ryzen platforms, Intel XMP 2.0 for hassle-free overclocking. GPU engine specs: CUDA cores 1280, graphics clock, base clock MHz 1531, boost clock MHz 1708. Memory specs: memory clock 8GB PS standard memory config, 6GB memory interface, GDDR5X memory interface width, 192-bit memory bandwidth, GB/SDC 240 bus support, PCIe 3.0x16 display support, OLED monitor. Support standard display connectors, dual link DVI-D, HDMI 2.0b, 3x DisplayPort 1.4 standard graphics card. Dimensions: length 275mm, height 98mm, width. To slot thermal and power spec: minimum system power requirement W400, supplementary power connectors, 8-pin. Stacked PC platform with circular lighting designed. Its brightness belongs to highlighted range. ATX12V 2.3 provides constant reliable power for Intel and AMD chipsets. 12cm cooling fan with speed control enables ultra-silent operations. Super silent power supply, PCIe ready for compatibility with NVIDIA and AVI/AMD Radeon graphic cards. Longer DC cable, supports PSU bottom set cabinets, built-in industrial-grade protections, overvoltage, undervoltage, short-circuit protection, ready with less than 1 W power consumption. High-speed Wi-Fi 256 QAM support increases the 2.4 GHz data rate from 150 Mbps to 200 Mbps. 200 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band and 433 Mbps on the 5 GHz band.
Bluetooth 4.0 applies the latest Bluetooth 4.0 and it is backward compatible with Bluetooth UB400, turns non-Bluetooth PC or laptop into Bluetooth capable.